Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix invite collaborator option not showing. So basically the very first thing we have to do, we have to just go to the Play Store here. In the Play Store, you have to search the Instagram and just hit the enter button, and in the place of open, if you just find it update, then update the app right now. Now here, if you still didn't got this feature and if you're not able to fix it, then basically you have to click on the you have to try out to be a beta tester. So in the beta tester, what happened, you have to click on the join. In the place of leave, you will get option, so click on join and you will be automatically joined into the beta version. So in beta version, the new feature, you will get to test the new feature very in the initial period when, and you will get the limited access, so you can just use it, right? And after that, if you still didn't got the feature, then uninstall this Instagram mobile application and install it once again. So this is it guys, and these are the methods which you follow and you will definitely get this new feature. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.